Cosmic Brief, your guide to the universe.
What if Jupiter suddenly moved into Earth's orbit around the Sun, not just passing nearby, but fully replacing Earth's position in the inner solar system? Jupiter is not just another planet. It is a gravitational giant, more than 2 times the mass of all other planets combined. Its gravity shapes asteroid paths, protects inner planets from some impacts, and stabilizes parts of the solar system. If Jupiter appeared at 1 astronomical unit from the Sun, everything changes instantly. First, Earth would not remain safely elsewhere. Orbital mechanics is a balance system. Jupiter's mass would dramatically reshape gravitational equations across the inner system. Earth's orbit would become unstable. It could be pushed outward, pulled inward, or thrown into an eccentric orbit. Now consider tidal forces. Even from millions of kilometers away, Jupiter's gravity would generate extreme tidal stresses. Oceans would experience amplified tides, not just higher, but dynamically shifting. Coastlines would face repeated surge cycles. Next comes asteroid behavior. Jupiter currently acts like a gravitational shepherd for parts of the asteroid belt. Move it inward, and that shepherding force relocates. Asteroid trajectories would be disturbed. New impact corridors toward inner planets would form. Impact probability increases. Radiation is another factor. Jupiter has an enormous magnetosphere, the largest structure around any planet. If positioned near Earth's current orbit, its magnetic environment would interact with solar wind differently. Charged particle behavior across near-Sun space would shift. Satellite systems would also suffer. Navigation models rely on stable planetary masses and predictable gravitational references. A gas giant in Earth's orbital zone breaks many assumptions used in long-term orbital prediction. Climate effects would follow. Jupiter reflects and absorbs sunlight differently than Earth. Replacing a rocky world with a gas giant alters solar energy distribution and thermal balance across the inner system. Would Jupiter become habitable? No. It has no solid surface and extreme pressure layers, but its moons, if they followed, could become scientific targets inside a warmer solar zone. The most important scientific truth here is scale. Planetary gravity is not a local effect. It is a system-wide force. Move a giant mass, and the solar system responds everywhere. Fortunately, planetary orbits are stable over astronomical timescales. A sudden Jupiter relocation is not physically realistic without extreme external forces. But this thought experiment reveals how delicate orbital harmony truly is. The solar system is not random motion, it is gravitational choreography. If Jupiter stepped into Earth's place, the dance would change instantly. Would you want Jupiter as our neighbor? Or is distance the real protection?